Gas prices suck, New Mexico. And this is Dennis at Melloy Chevrolet saying we want to do something about it. If you've got a gas guzzler, it is time to trade that thing in. We have got 30 vehicles that get over 30 miles per gallon down here at Melloy Los Lunes. So if you are looking for a vehicle that gets excellent fuel economy, we got you covered. Here at Melloy Chevrolet, we've got all kinds of vehicles, like the Chevy Malibu. We've actually got one just got in today or yesterday, 33 miles per gallon. And those cars are sweet. That is a sweet ride. So if you're looking for something that gets great gas mileage, we have got 30 vehicles on our lots down here that get over 30 miles per gallon. So if you're looking for a vehicle, this is the place to be. Come on down right now. See us. Second thing, click the link below and click to win a $1,000 gas card. We are giving away $1,000 to somebody at the end of the month. All you got to do is click the link, register, no purchase necessary. See all the rules online, but they're pretty easy. Click the link, put in your information, boom, you're registered. So we're doing that. Then, the third thing, we've got 3 things. So the third thing is, if you've got a vehicle that you've got right now, there's some things that you can do to get good gas mileage in that vehicle you're driving right now. And that includes checking out your tires. Come into our service department, get our free tire check, because if your tires are underinflated, if their tires are worn, if your tires are bald, if they're misaligned, all of that stuff takes your gas mileage down. So then the fourth thing is, if you've got a gas guzzler and you just want to sell it, we want to buy it. We don't care if it's a gas guzzler. We're buying cars. We are buying cars right and left and right and left and right and left, and we are just buying cars. So if you are looking to sell your vehicle, come down and see us. If you want to start that process online, go to our website, melloychevrolet.com. Easy to find online. Just melloychevrolet.com. Click the link and you're going to be taken to the enter the win button below. But then right there you can also value your trade. So if you're looking to get a relief from the gas mileage today, click that link, register for the gas card, check out our 30 vehicles over 30 miles per gallon. Check out our service department, see what they can do for you to increase the gas mileage you're getting on your current vehicle. We got you covered. Melloy Chevrolet, melloychevrolet.com, 505-866-3000. Easy to find, right on Interstate I-25. Easy to find, easy to deal with, exit 203. What else? That's it. That's all we got. Click the link, register for that gas card. Don't wait. End of the month, we're giving that thing away. You could win. All you got to do is click. Click to win, baby.